Today, I'm making my garlic butter lemon herb salmon, starting right from the whole fillet. I begin by removing the scales, but I always keep the skin on. That skin carries a lot of flavor and it protects the salmon while it cooks. Once the scales are off, I pat the fillet dry with a paper towel. This helps the seasoning stick and gives a better fry. Then I cut the whole fillet into 5 portions. I season each piece with sea salt, fresh ground black pepper, and garlic powder. I let them sit for a few minutes so the seasoning can settle in. Over a medium heat, I warm up my Cuisinart skillet with 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I start by frying the thicker portions 2 minutes per side, beginning with the skin side down. The tail piece cooks faster, so this one only needs a minute per side. When the salmon is slightly fried, I pour out most of the oil but keep about a tablespoon in the skillet. That little bit carries all the flavor from the fish and becomes the base of the sauce. I add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and let it melt. Here I'm adding chopped onions, a pinch of red pepper flakes, half a teaspoon of capers, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, 4 cloves of grated garlic, and a small grated ginger. I also add the zest of 1 whole lemon and part of the 4 stalks of chopped green onions and save some of these for later. Next, I pour in 2 tablespoons of white wine and let it cook for a moment. Then I add the sliced carrots, the chopped celery, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and 2 tablespoons of chicken powder. I stir everything together so the flavors blend. Now I add 2 cups of water, a teaspoon of dried parsley, more black pepper, and a little white pepper. I also added the strained juice of 1 whole lemon. It didn't make it in the video, but it's part of the recipe. When the base is ready, I add the cherry tomatoes and 5 slices of lemon. I let those simmer for about a minute, just enough for the tomatoes to soften slightly without breaking apart. At this point, the fried salmon goes back in the skillet. I place the pieces right on top of the vegetables so they warm through without overcooking. I cover the skillet and let everything simmer together for 1 minute. Then I turn the heat off, uncover, and gently move some of the vegetables and sauce over the top of the salmon. And that's it, garlic butter lemon herb salmon with a bright aromatic sauce and perfectly cooked fillets. A simple, flavorful dish that always feels special. Thanks for watching.